thumbnail though. Just kidding. Anyway, guys, you know I would never ever come on social media with my hair like this. I probably posted my natural hair like 2 times. Now there's nothing wrong with natural, but to me, just looking a little crazy. I had a wig for like a month. I took my braids out like 4 days ago. I think we're going on day 5 right now. So yeah, it has. If I decide to post the other video first, you guys will see. But my hair has gotten more and more poofy every day I've worn it out. Well, not worn it out because I haven't been anywhere. But yeah. So this video that we're doing today, I'm gonna try to attempt to do a keratin treatment. It is currently 5 o'clock in the evening, so I may split this into 2 parts. First step of doing keratin treatment, you have to thoroughly wash your hair. So they recommend, I believe, an additional wash on top of the normal 2 washes. May not be necessary, but I'll see how my hair feels. Again, I did have on my wig for a full month, pretty much without taking it off. I mean, I did moisturize it at that time, but I didn't take it fully off and like wash my braids. I typically don't do that. When I wear wigs, I keep it on and then wash my hair. I was washing my hair every 3 weeks, but I let it go for a month this time. So yeah, it's very full, and I always do try to take care of my hair under my wig. So I do moisturize, I put leave-in conditioner, you know, seal it with some oils or shea butter or something like that. So I have a lot of product buildup. So anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to try to attempt to record. I may not put you guys in the shower with me. I don't know how I feel about that yet. But anyway, I'm going to wash my hair and at least blow dry it. And then I might film part 2 tomorrow of me actually applying the keratin treatment and then the straightening. Now, first off, I'm not a professional, okay? Far from it, far from it. Just a backstory, I did have a keratin treatment professionally done. I think this was, I want to say 4 to 6 months ago. Absolutely loved it, by the way. I did feel like it made my hair more manageable, even though I don't typically wear my natural hair out. You know, just braiding it down, and when I went to go wash it the next time, it was somewhat of a looser curl texture or whatever. But yeah, I've fully reverted back since then. So, but you know, that wash that I had between then and now. And again, I really don't remember exactly when I got it done. If you guys are really curious, comment below, and I did put in my calendar any beauty treatments I get done. I always write it down so I know. I like to go consistently to get my beauty treatment. So like every 3 weeks for my nails, but now I do my nails myself, but every 3 weeks for my nails, once a month or every 3 weeks for my eyebrows, so on and so forth. So I do have it written down. So if you guys are really curious, I will comment. Oh, sorry. I will comment below exactly when I got it done. But yeah, I think my hair is fully reverted back to its natural state. It does look kind of straight in the front if you're looking really closely, but that's only because I had it braided down. I mean, I've been laying on it or whatever. So anyway, Discretion. I am not in any way professional. Do not take my advice. What works for me or may not work for me may not work for you. Now the directions on the keratin treatment, after you wash and blow dry your hair, it should be 90% dry before you apply it. But the girl that she was coaching someone to do my keratin treatment. She said for a thicker curl texture, the hair can be fully dry before you apply the keratin treatment and then straighten it because the heat. But and she was African American too, and she had beautiful long hair, so I would say she knows what she's talking about. But I couldn't tell her hair texture or hair porosity. I think she said she was low porosity like me, but if I could assume, I want to say her texture was looser, maybe more like a 3C, 4A, if people still go by that. I definitely want to say I'm a 4B to 4C, and what that basically means, or people said it means, my hair grows out of my scalp, I would say wavy, not say curly, but wavy, like it's wavy. And then, but some of my ends, they curl up, like you can see. I'm not gonna pick my hair out, that'll be a different video, but you can see that my ends are curly in some places and then wavy in others. So yeah, wish me luck. I might bring you guys in the shower with me. I don't know if you guys really want to see that, but yeah, I'm going to wash my hair and then come back, show you my hair texture once it's wet or damp, and then blow dry. So see ya. Okay guys, so this is my hair blow dried. It's not even fully straight. I just wanted the hair to feel dry. My roots are still puffy and so are my ends, but I did focus more on the roots than the ends. I do that anyway to try and minimize heat damage, because I go over my hair with the flat iron anyway. So as long as the roots are straight, if you have a good flat iron, the rest of it should get straight. I'm debating if I want to start the keratin treatment now, because if I put it in now and let it air dry or whatever, or heat dry, I will have to straighten it tonight. Like I can't sleep with it, you know, obviously. So I'm debating if I feel like doing that right now. Yeah, we'll see. I might just wait till tomorrow because I have nothing to do in the morning, so I could just do it first thing in the morning, but then I might not feel like it then either. So I kind of had the energy to do it tonight, so I probably will just go ahead and do it now. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I wanted to do a voiceover on this part because I did not actually film me applying the keratin treatment to my hair. I mean, I did, but I looked a hot mess and I wasn't going to let you guys see me like that. So yeah. Anyway, this is me blow drying my hair while the keratin treatment is still in my hair. It absorbs very quickly into my hair because it was very dry beforehand. And I did shampoo my hair 3 times like the directions stated to do. And again, no conditioner. Well, all right, that's all I have for now. I'll post my results and opinions in the next video. So, okay, bye.